here, and in my first visit, I knew that I was going to buy this house.
और the best thing about it is कि आप यहाँ से अगर 100 meters भी walk करेंगे, it's like Goa.
When we came here, we were zapped by the visual and the location.
They have a lot of parks here. There is club facilities. There is a gym facility.
Whenever my friends or family have entered the gate, they have been awestruck. Oh, wow.
My activity has gone up. Otherwise, screen time ज़्यादा होने लगा था.
The skating rink, the mini theatre and the half-size Olympic pool which we haven't seen anywhere in Virar.
यहाँ पे आके जो मुझे difference दिखा है in the quality of air, in the temperature, it's actually quite surprising.
Appreciation तो किसी भी property का होना है, हमारा तो definitely हुआ है.
Construction quality is really good, top notch.
Time that I enjoy the most over here is I go for a long walk. इतनी open spaces है, आप आधा घंटा 2 घंटा चलते जाइए. There is you will just not feel bored.
There are so many amenities here for my kid. So there's the skating rink, the mini theatre and the half-size Olympic pool which we haven't seen anywhere in Virar.
I love the pool because it looks very good.
The good thing about Joyville Virar is कि यहाँ पे काफ़ी कुछ है करने के लिए. आउटडोर गेम खेल सकते हैं, इंडोर बहुत सारे गेम्स हैं, so you will never get bored.
They have a lot of parks here. There is club facilities. There is a gym facilities and all that really will help me keep myself healthy in my life, which normally is needed for old people.
Balcony is one place जहाँ मैं actually बहुत time spend करती हूँ. There's a beautiful temple, the Jeevdani temple. So पहली चीज़ उठ के morning में you just get such positive vibes. The sunrise is beautiful. शाम का sunset भी बहुत ही प्यारा view है.
I thought कि as a investment इसको use करूँगा, लेकिन ये इतना beautiful था कि finally I thought कि might as well I'll shift here because इतनी सारी चीज़ें और कहीं मिलेंगी नहीं. And मज़ा आ रहा है यहाँ पे जब से move हुआ हूँ. I can see that there is change in lot of things. My activity has gone up. Otherwise screen time ज़्यादा होने लगा था. And इधर इतने sports हैं कि you don't feel like sitting at home watching movies all the time.
यहाँ पे आके जो मुझे difference दिखा है in the quality of air, in the temperature, it's actually quite surprising.
So it's a definite upgrade from where I used to live earlier. Whenever my friends or family have entered the gate, they have been awestruck. Oh, wow.
I'm retiring. I'm 60. I needed to kind of get away from that harsh and torrid life of Mumbai, and we came to visit this place, and I really found it very similar to Goa, having the same ambience, the same vibes.
We really feel like home here. The people here are very friendly and helpful.
लोग भी बहुत अच्छे हैं, मतलब lot of creative people are there, artists लोग हैं, teachers हैं, you know, lot of film directors हैं, VFX artists लोग हैं, बहुत सारे businessmen हैं.
The community here, people around बहुत ही helpful हैं. They are very simple, they are very nice. मेरे लिए तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा था कि I found like-minded people here.
और एक और चीज़ है जो यहाँ की मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी कि कंस्ट्रक्शन क्वालिटी इज़ रियली गुड, टॉप नॉच. आप पार्किंग जाइए, इतना बड़ा पार्किंग आपको कहीं नहीं मिलेगा, बॉम्बे में ही नहीं मिलेगा कहीं. इट्स सो बिग.
मैंने जब खरीदा था उस टाइम पे मुझे ये था कि दिस इज़ अ लिटिल थोड़ा विरार मेन मार्केट से थोड़ा दूर है, थोड़ा ये है, थोड़ा वो है, बट एवरीथिंग इज़ टेकन केयर ऑफ. आप एक बार अंदर आइए, एक बार एक्सपीरियंस करिए. अप्रिसिएशन तो किसी भी प्रॉपर्टी का होना है, हमारा तो डेफिनेटली हुआ है.
The whole process of buying was made so simple for me. It's kind of set that standard for me that if I end up buying another house in future, this will always be the benchmark.
We came to Joyville for the first time. I felt that this is the perfect place for their second innings because I wanted a place where they could be themselves.
Unfortunately, this place cannot be described in one word. But there's a phrase. It's a phrase in French. It's called joie de vivre. It's the joy of living. I don't know who named this as Joyville, but it has been so aptly named Joyville Shapurji Palanji.
The one word which I will use to describe this place, I think, is balance. Where I spend my 9 to 5 inside an office. बाकी का जो मेरा टाइम है I spend around nature.
If in one word I have to define this, I'll say it's full of fun, wholesome place where you get to do everything.